Hey guys, tonight I'm going to be making a giant place made of mushrooms. Why the heck won't that work? Do do do, mommy, do do do. Haha, spawn in this wall, wee, giant slime, son of a slime, cause you're a slime, get it? I didn't spawn this stuff in, except for the 100 stuff, you know I did. Founding villages. I hate you, slime. I'm gonna murder you one day. So. Oh my god. Why does it have to take like an hour to respawn in a place? It's like it's really stupid. I hate you, slimes. Where am I? I'm just gonna get like a million sticky pistons to like this, and a ton of whatever it is. A redstone. Where are you? Dun 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 dun. Try to kill me. Trying to kill me. Trying to glitch me. Or whatever will happen. Die, you slime! You beeping slime! Oh, it didn't do anything. Push this thing. Okay, that's stupid. Do. No, not you. Oh, you can break. Stupid thing. This will be funny. Doesn't do anything. Yahoo! I hate you. Hate this world. See you next time.